The Toyota 2000 GT that JD Classics have restored is a very special car and one of only 320 Toyota 2000 GT cars ever produced. The GT came to us from Portugal, having originally been registered in Mozambique in 1968, a one-owner car with just 41,000 kilometres. Perhaps due to a life in a dry climate, the car was in a good, totally original and unrestored condition. In fact, the car was in such good structural condition that the body was not removed from the chassis during the renovation process. We treated the Toyota to a JD Classics repaint, a JD full engine rebuild, JD suspension overhaul, and detailing throughout. With a superb original interior, JD Classics went to great lengths to preserve the originality of this historic vehicle, in that wherever possible, the original parts were used during the recommissioning, including many of the nuts and bolts that were removed, sandblasted, dipped, recoated, and reused. Going through this process means that the parts were strengthened as well as looking new. With a car of this rarity, some of the old parts simply could not be reused, and to that end, during a 300-hour engine rebuild, we had some new pistons made, as well as new period-style stickers, which were made up to give the car an as-new, authentic appearance. The completion of the project resulted in one of the best, if not the best original examples in existence. JD Classics have proven expertise in recommissioning and restoring the Toyota 2000 GT, and if you're thinking of buying or selling this desirable classic car, talk to us. We have proven knowledge, skills, and enthusiasm for this fantastic model.